Welcome to your Career Discovery platform. Your platform is for all students and graduates, regardless of year or subject of study. It's never too early to start thinking about your future career, so the sooner you check out the platform, the better. In the resources area, you can find services and resources that are available to help you get the best possible start in your career. When you first log in, you'll be asked to set up your profile. This is important so you can get the most relevant advice and opportunities tailored for you. Make sure you keep your profile up to date throughout your time at university. Do you want to ask the careers team a question? Just click on the personal homepage and click on Queries. You can book online or face-to-face appointments with a careers advisor here. Or book to attend careers workshops and employer events like careers fairs, which happen either face-to-face or online. When you find an event you're interested in, simply click on the link. You'll be taken to the event's homepage, where you can find out more or book. You'll get an email confirmation, and we'll even send you a reminder before the event. And we always have a huge range of jobs, work experience and opportunities that you'll want to check out. You can research employers who are looking to hire you. Use the filters to target your search. When you find an employer, a job or an internship that catches your eye, you can apply directly through the platform.